In Ramadan, let's say tomorrow they announce and they say, okay, it's Ramadan. Is it enough for me to just come with an intention for that day, and I say, inshallah, I'm going to be fasting the whole month of Ramadan, and every day I'm building my fasting on that one intention I made? Or do I have to make an intention every single day that tomorrow I'm going to fast, tomorrow I'm going to fast, tomorrow I'm going to fast? Or is it one day is enough, just the beginning? Yeah? Put your hand up. Yeah? The brother at the back. Yeah? With the glasses. One day is enough. Yeah? Any other opinion? So the middle path is going to be, scholars have what? What do the scholars have? Difference of opinion on this issue. This one, there is a difference of opinion. And it's based on evidence. These opinions are not from thin air. They're not from thin air. These scholars have looked at the Quran, they looked at the Sunnah, and they disagreed on how is it understood. Some of the scholars said that one intention is enough. You just have to make that intention the first day, and khalas, inshallah ta'ala. Just like for salah, how many rak'ah is dhuhr? 4, right? You have to make an intention for all of them, each individually. Or is it enough just to make an intention at the beginning? Huh? It's enough to make intention what? At the beginning. So they said that's our argument, and that's what they said. Some scholars, they said no. Ramadan, each day is an independent day. Is disconnected. So then each day requires a what? An intention. And they actually used a hadith where the Prophet said, salawatullahi wa salamun alayhi, hadith 𝗙𝘀, مَنْ لَمْ يُبَيِّتِ الصِّيَامَ, the person who doesn't come with intention the night before, فَلَا صِيَامَ لَهُ, he has no fasting. They said this is our evidence. Are we all together? I will say, خُرُوجًا مِنَ الْخِلَافِ. So you don't get caught up in this issue and back and forth. To be on the safe side, what should you do? Every day come with an intention. And you know how you can easily come with that intention? If you wake up for suhoor, that's enough as an intention. Does that make sense? The fact that you woke up for suhoor, why did you wake up for suhoor? Only to fast the next day, right?